I'm Praveen, 16 years old, and I'm from SMK Orchidesa. Since 2018, I've been coming to CIY.Club. I've learned Python, JavaScript, CSS, CS+. I use the basics that I've learned from CIY.Club, bring it back home. I do more research and learn more skills that I can use for my own project. For my maths, it teaches me different ways of thinking on how to answer questions. The coaches here are very nice. They are very helpful when you ask them. Like they will direct us to a certain way to think on how to answer. They give you questions that will lead you toward getting the correct answer. That's how they teach us here. I think that learning coding is important because in the past few years, the internet has become widely used by other people. You can use the coding skill for a lot of things online. Like let's say you can set up your own online business, like your own website, you can sell stuff there. It's an extra income. Or you can make games for fun. Or even for doctors, they're experimenting with VR operation. The doctor can be miles away and they can be operating on someone else.